Welcome to RFgen's Tech Talks on Mobile App Tools. This is Tony Knight and I will be walking you through today's video. This video shows you how to convert a list box into a panel list. The panel list is a control which allows you to display in a graphical format. On the left is the traditional list box, not really visually appealing, but gives us the data we need. On the right is the panel list, a more modern take on displaying your data. This is especially useful on Android and iOS devices, but can be used for any platform. If you have a standard inquiry application, chances are it's using a list box control. The conversion process can be completed in 5 steps and without changes to your script. First, copy the application, then replace the list box control with the panelist control. Rename the panelist with the list box control's name, add column headers and data containers to the panelist, and finally assign a bind value to each container. Let's start by making a copy of this inquiry app in the RFgen 5.1 Mobile Development Studio. Next, I'll delete the old list box and then add the panelist from our toolbox. Make adjustments to your panelist to fill all of that empty space. The third step, I will reuse the list box's name for my panelist. This allows my script to work the same as before. Now it is time to create our panel layout. Double-click or drag a text box onto the panel. Do this 4 times to replace the 4 items that we're displaying on the list box. Rearrange it however you would like. I like this simple layout. I'll now rename the labels and text boxes the same names as the column headers and data containers. Here's a little hint, copy them down ahead of time for easy reference. Don't forget to add captions to each header. Finally, let's bind the objects to their respective column list values. The first text box corresponds to column 1 of the list box, so we change the bind to column to 1. We'll repeat this process for the next 3 text boxes. We went ahead and used transparency to spice this display up. You will see this fantastic result during our testing. Don't forget to save all of your great work. Now it is time to test our application. I went ahead and started an application testing to speed things up for you. To help me out, I copied my data to fill in. For our plant location, I'll go ahead and enter 1000. For the materials, I'll enter 100-600. After I click enter, the list of locations for the materials will display. Congratulations, you have just updated your material to be way more visually stunning with a more modern look. In the words of Maui from Moana, you're welcome! Breaking news! There is a shortcut. We love PanelList so much that we added a shortcut. Just right-click on the list box and select Convert to Panelist. This will automatically map over your scripting and eliminate steps 1 and 2 from the beginning of this video. Now all you have to do is follow the last 3 steps of the previous process to set up how you want it to look. Remember, it was rename the panelist with the list box control's name, add column headers and data containers to the panelist, and assign a bind value to each container. Good luck! For more tips and tricks on RFgen products, refer to the RFgen portal and look up technical bulletins.